Hello WordPress people, welcome back to another video of creating the WordPress Gutenberg block. So if you are new to this video, I would suggest to start watching this playlist from the beginning so that you know what we are doing in this video. Otherwise, continue watching this video. In the previous video, I showed you how we can use the render.php to render our block output in the front end as well as in the block preview. So now in this video we will be building our actual search feature using ajax. So again, if you don't know how to work with ajax, I would recommend to watch that video first and then come back in this video, because I'll be using the WordPress ajax in this video. So the how to use ajax in the WordPress, the video is into the description section, so please watch that first and then come back on this video. So now let's jump into the code. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called WPvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So I'm gonna open my src render.php, and here in the last video we added this simple line over here. Before that, I'm gonna add our custom block, which is BWP search. So if we add that over here, we can simply see whatever we wrote over here. So now if we go to the front side, we can see that text over here. But now let's build our search form and then the result area. So for that, I'll be simply adding an HTML which I took from the ChatGPT. So this is going to be a search form. This is the wrapper. This will be a search form where I took form tag. Inside form I added a text field with some ID, name, and then a button. And here is the placeholder where we will get the result of search text, and all the result will be appended over here. So now let me refresh this. Oh sorry, I have to start 10 p.m. So I'm gonna run command start npm start. So npm is running successfully. Now if I refresh this, we can see the search text box over here. Now let's add some styling for that. So again, I took the style from the ChatGPT. So yeah, I'm not the good in CSS, but yeah, I can show you where to add CSS for what. So in order to add CSS for the front side, we have to add that inside src style.css, and for the editor we have to add inside editor.scss. Let's see if we get any error. So no, and CSS is processed. So now if we refresh this, let's see what happens. So here we have this sidebar in the search, and our result will be display over here. So now in order to display our result, first let me show you how do we get our result. So I'll be using REST API for that. So if I go to WordPress REST API, so in this video we are going to get the result from the post. So in the REST API, go to reference and go to posts, and here let's go to list post. So here is the API we will use. So first let me show you the result from this API. So for that, I'm gonna copy this URL, and then I will use this WP JSON WP version 2 post. This is the REST API which will get all the post. Sorry. So if you want to see it properly, then you can use that inside the Firefox. And here we get number of results over here, which is coming from that API. Now we will be searching the result from the post. So for that we have to pass this search parameter inside this post API. So let's say and this is the get method, so I'm gonna add this via search equal to test. As you can see, our result is reduced. Let me add something specific. So as you can see, the response is getting smaller. So you don't need to worry about this format. I'm just showing you the API we are going to use. So now what we are going to do is, whenever we type something over here and when we click the search, we will request an ajax, and in that ajax we will get the results. So it won't refresh the page. So my ajax code is ready, so I'm gonna add that code inside this script tag. So using this script tag, I'm gonna add that right below the form. Sorry. I'm gonna copy this script and I will explain what is happening in this script. Nothing to worry about. So in this script, first I took ajax URL. The ajax URL is nothing but this REST API we just discussed over here. So the site URL WP JSON WP v2 post. I added the dynamic site URL over here, and then WP JSON v2 post. So our ajax URL is ready. Now in the jQuery, I wrote submit event. I am requesting an ajax. So this is the submit event of this search form. So the search form ID is this. So based on the ID, we are doing ajax request on submission of the form. Now you remember we have to pass the search keyword as well. So the search keyword will be coming from this text field, and the ID of the search text field is this search input. So we took an object as called data. In that data we pass search. Now this data will be passed with this REST API. So this is the ajax request. So this is the ajax URL, and whatever data we want to pass with this request, we can pass that like this. And as this is the get method, I mean we have to use get method for this REST API. So we are using this jQuery.get method. So now before doing anything, let me comment this section, and now let's see what we get in the response. So this will trigger when we hit the submit button. So now if I go to this refresh, inspect it, and if we click, something is wrong. It says jQuery is not defined. So let me enqueue jQuery in this. So jQuery is inbuilt script added in the WordPress, so we can just enqueue the jQuery using this. Now let's see if we get this error or not. So yeah, our error is gone. So if we now let's search test and hit the search. So we are getting this number of result over here and in the network. So yeah, our request is correct. So everything related to test is it will be here. So this keyword will be searched from the title and the description. So if I try to check the content, this content should have test keyword somewhere. So yeah, let me add some specific keyword. Let's say Mahabharata. Now if I search, so yeah, there is only 4 result we get using using that keyword. So yeah, we have the Mahabharata as a title. So our API is working fine. So that is what we are getting in the console. And now as this result is in the array format, so we are looping through this response, index and items. So in each item we will get this object. So in the object we are getting title. So title we are getting inside title rendered. So title equal to item dot title dot rendered, and we are preparing the HTML over here. there is a result item wrapper, and inside we are adding only title in h3, and in the last we will be adding this response inside this wrapper. This wrapper. Let me add search result goes. So yeah, in this id we are adding the whole html. Now if I refresh this, and if I search Maha, then we can see the response over here. It is displaying result based on the keyword. Let's add test. So yeah, I'm not considering any pagination over here as of now. You can do that by your own. This is just to give you an idea. So yeah, this is how our search feature is going to work. So this is one prototype which is ready. Search feature is ready now. Okay, let's refresh this and let's see if we get something over here or not. So yeah, we are getting the search block over here. Now in the next video we will be adding some settings. For example, currently it is searching for the post type only, so we will be providing a setting to select post type. So selected post type will be search over here, and yeah, in the future we will be adding more setting like number of result to display, and then maybe we will be providing taxonomy setting as well. But yeah, so this is how our search block is going to build. So this is for this video. If you have any doubt, question, please write down below in the comment section, and the repo of this plugin is available on the GitHub, so that you can check this code by your own. Link is into the description section. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.